on now, you know my fucking name.
She's a very cute girl. Don't be her mama. First you get a name, then you get a number, then you get some brain in the first.
Wobbin', ass so fat, all these bitches pussies is bobbing. Bad bitches, I'm your leader. Venom by the meter. Somebody point me to the best ass eater. Tell them it's
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl 9 back to y'all with another banger, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna be showing y'all me doing a maintenance vlog. So now I'm just getting ready to go get my hair done. I got a hair appointment. My friend is supposed to be doing my hair this morning, and I already got my nails done, as you can see. But I didn't get to show that part, so I'm gonna go ahead and insert some clips from me getting my nails done. It's currently 9:30 right now. My hair appointment was at 10, but I still have to go to the Beast Spa store and go get hair because since I was at work, I didn't get a chance to get it. So that's what I'm getting ready to go do now. And yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys with me on this little maintenance vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when we get to the Beast Spa store. Alright y'all, so I'm in the Beast Spa store now, and I'm just looking for what she sent me because Lord knows I can't find it. So yeah, I'm gonna come back to you guys when I find the hair that I'm looking for. Alright y'all, so I found the hair I was supposed to be getting. It's one of these.
One of these, one of these, one of these. That's all.
I think I'm gonna get one of the color, and I think I'm gonna do two of these. So yeah guys, so I secured the hair. Cause I think it's probably almost about 9 o'clock. Let me hurry my ass up. Cause my appointment is at 10 o'clock. So yeah guys, I'm gonna check back with y'all when I start getting my hair done. Alright y'all, so this is how my hair turned out. Super cute, super cute. She did her big one per usual. And I'm so in love with this color. Like, it is just so cute. Like, black and blonde just... It's something about blonde on me, y'all. Like, I'm just loving the blonde on me now. Like, it's just so cute. And then my little baby hairs, they're like so small. And like my little sideburns. And then, and the little glasses just give it that look. Like, this hairstyle just gives it, girl. Like, this hairstyle just gives it, girl. Like, you know, see the earrings? Let me fix the necklace. Like, it just gives. Like, it gives what it needs to give. But yeah, like, after my hair appointment, I didn't really do anything. I just went to go pick up my girlfriend. And we went to get Chipotle, and we just chilled in my house for a little bit. And I'm just now dropping her off or whatever. So yeah, we're supposed to be going on a date or whatever Thursday, but I don't know if we're still going or what we're doing. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys updated with that, and I'm supposed to be taking pictures Thursday too. That's why I want to get my hair done. And like I showed you guys before, look at the nails, y'all. Let's just the nails just give, y'all. The nails just give. I don't know, I'm in love with French tips now for some reason. Like, they're just so classic, cute, everything. So yeah, so I don't know if we're still going on a date or not, but I want to take you guys with me, and I want to take you guys with me taking pictures. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated this week, and I'll check with you guys later this week. Bye. Alright, y'all. So it is currently the next day, and I just got off work like a couple hours ago. I already took my shower all day, and now I guess I'm gonna go out to eat with my dad because I was supposed to be going on a date with my girlfriend tomorrow, but I'm not sure if we're still going because car issues. Because I'm out of my car yesterday. So yeah. So yeah, I guess today I'm gonna get dressed up and I'm gonna see if I can take pictures today. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to take one because I'm gonna let my dad take them. So yeah, now I'm finna just show y'all me getting ready to go out to eat. I already took my shower and now I'm finna show y'all me washing my face and brushing my teeth. Alright, y'all, so now that I washed my face, brushed my teeth and all that, we're gonna get ready to get dressed. This is my outfit laid out, y'all. The metallic, and I got the metallic heels. Bro, this fit finna eat, bro. This fit finna eat. I'm telling you, this fit is finna eat. And with the hair, bro, just wait till I snatch the bonnet off him, for real. Yes, gotta show the fit one time. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed, and I'm gonna show you guys what the fit look like on me. Alright, y'all, so I just got back from taking pictures. This stuff fit. Yo. So the full body pictures didn't come out right, but instead I just ended up taking like face pictures and like half body pictures in the elevator or whatever. Cause I'm like, this is too cute of an outfit to be wasted on just because my pictures not coming out right. And like the lighting in the hallway was bad, and I couldn't take pictures outside because it was raining. So yeah, but I'm still gonna get my pictures. So yeah, I did that. Y'all should make sure you follow my Instagram so you can see when I drop the pictures. Oh dang, I forgot to get like cute little picture of my nails. Child, I'm always forgetting something. But yeah. So yeah, I don't know what else I'm doing this week, but yeah, I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm doing something else. Alright, y'all, so this is the end of my maintenance vlog / weekly vlog. I went and took my hair out just because it was getting a little bit too much for me to handle when I was at work, but I really loved it and I said I had to take it out. But yeah, so far this was like a really chill week. I didn't really do anything, you know. I went out to eat, did everything basic. I wanted to do more, but I didn't have time this week. So yeah, I definitely like making a maintenance vlog and weekly vlog. So I'm probably gonna start making more weekly vlogs to show y'all what I do during the week. Alright, y'all, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow all my socials at the bottom, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.